I like to stay on top of my game. It's still dawn. This faucet right here needs to be replaced. It's leaking. And I got the shut off over here somewhere. I'm gonna take my ESEE4 right there. Okay, I'm gonna cut this. I'll be right back with you. I'm gonna use my serrations, cut the roots. Okay, my shut-off valve is right there. I don't see it. Hopefully I can get it shut off. It's a ball valve. So we're gonna turn that, hopefully. There we go. Okay, that's off. And I cut the roots away and everything with that. Okay, let's get on this faucet. I got the water shut off. I'm gonna be taking this off right here. Hopefully. Like yay. There. This is all before sunrise. Okay, let me get that new one on. Okay, got the Teflon on there. Get this started and then I'll stop, tighten it up. I'll have to turn the camera off. I'll turn the camera off now. Yeah, I wasn't sure about that. I almost had to replace this T. I'll probably do the next time. Let's go turn the water off. There's no snakes in there. That'd wake me up. Okay, water's on. Okay, that's how we do it. And we're still beating the sunrise. Don't ask me how I knew where that shut-off valve was. It's just I do. I've been here 6 years. I kind of knew where it was from that sawgrass. But I couldn't show you with one hand. But the serrations there, once I got down, I had to cut around the grass roots. You know what I'm saying? It's all working. Hosed it off. And you see that inner tube out there on that board? That pisses me off. That plastic out there pisses me off. All right, I'm gonna go put this up and come back to the sunrise.